In this video, I'm going to show you a Ooma VoIP tutorial. Ooma is a popular VoIP or Voice over Internet Protocol service that offers affordable communication solutions for both home and business users. It provides a reliable internet-based phone system with features like call forwarding, virtual receptionist, and voicemail to email, all at a fraction of the cost of traditional landlines. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a home office, Uma is designed to make communication efficient, seamless, and easy to manage. In this video, we'll explore what Uma is, its key features, and the benefit it offers. So giving you an understanding of why it's a great VoIP option in 2024. So first, what is Uma? Uma is a cloud-based phone service that provides VoIP technology to deliver voice calls over the internet. It caters to both residential and business users with products like Uma Tello for home phone services and Uma Office for businesses. Uma is known for its affordable pricing, simple setup, and high quality audio, making it an attractive alternative to traditional phone systems. With Uma Office, businesses can set up virtual phone systems with multiple lines, extensions, and features like automated attendance, all accessible through mobile apps or desktop services or desktop devices. So the key features of Uma is first, they have a virtual receptionist or auto attendant. Uma Office includes a virtual receptionist feature that greets callers and directs them to the appropriate department or individual. You can customize the greeting and routing options based on business hours or specific caller needs. So the benefit of this key feature is that the auto attendant ensures that calls are handled efficiently, giving your business a professional image and improving customer satisfaction by reducing wait times. Next key feature is call forwarding and multi-device support. Uma allows calls to be forwarded to any mobile phone or device, ensuring you stay connected even if you are away from your desk. With multi device support, you can receive calls on your smartphone, tablet, or desktop, ensuring no important call is missed. So, the benefit of this key feature is that this feature provides flexibility and ensures continuous communication, making it perfect for remote teams or employees working on the go. So additional features are voicemail to email transcription. So receive your voicemail messages as transcriptions via email for quick access and response. And they have also call blocking and blacklisting. So block unwanted calls and telemarketers to reduce interruptions. It also has conference calling. You can host virtual meetings with multiple participants using Uma's conference calling feature. Of course, they also have the mobile app, so access Uma services through the Uma Office app, allowing you to make and receive business calls from anywhere. They also have advanced reporting, so you can track call logs and analyze call patterns through reporting tools. So the benefits of using Uma VoIP is first, it's cost-effective communication, it's easy setup and scalability, its mobility and flexibility, its professional image, and its reliable service and quality. So why choose Uma in 2024? Uma remains a strong contender in the VoIP space, thanks to its affordable pricing, ease of use, and robust set of features. It's particularly well suited for small and medium sized businesses looking for a scalable and mobile friendly phone system without the complexity of traditional PBX systems. The virtual receptionist, call forwarding, and voice mail to email capabilities make it ideal for businesses that want to present a professional image while keeping costs under control. Whether you need a simple VoIP solution for a home office or a fully featured business communication system, Ooma provides the tools necessary to streamline communications and keep your team connected, making it a top choice for 2024. Now let's move on to the website. So from here, you'll see, as you can see, sophisticated communication solutions made simple. So you can use this either you have a business or a residential. So they have business, enterprise, POTS replacement, home phone, and home security. So this is all of their business phone systems. So you can see these are all of the features of them. They have HD audio, virtual receptionist, a mobile app, video conferencing. They also have CRM integrations. And this is not all of the features yet. So if you want to see all of the features, as you can see, this is a full list of UMA essential features. So it's quite many. So they have the call management features, setup features, mobility features, and calling features. So let's just go back. So now let's say you want to use the home phone service. So you can see it right here. They can ship this to you. So just click here on buy or buy on Best Buy. Again, let's go back to the business phone systems. So to see the pricing, let's just go to here, plans and pricing. So as you can see, they have three plans, which is the Essentials plan, the Pro plan, and the Pro Plus plan. So from here, you can transfer your existing phone number to Ooma. Just enter your phone number right here. Local numbers. So they have local numbers too, and toll-free numbers. So if you need help to choose a plan, you can click here and compare plans. And as you can see, there is a more detailed comparison right here for all of the plans. So what you want to do is read all of this comparison and make sure that the plan that you are availing has all of the features for your business or company's needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.